This I like. Unusual gadgets you never knew you needed. Ever wondered if there's a device out there that could make life a tad bit easier or a lot more fun? Well, buckle up because we've scoured the tech landscape to bring you the quirkiest and most unexpectedly essential gadgets. Before we begin, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description where you can find them. This hammock packs down to the size of an eggplant because who doesn't measure things in vegetables, and is as light as a feather at just 24 ounces. Whether you're solo or doubling up, it stretches from 9 feet for the single to a spacious 10 feet for the double, ensuring you and a friend or just your sprawling ambitions fit comfortably. Setting up is simpler than a campfire sing-along thanks to its 9-foot tree straps and carabiners, all adjustable with 5 separate loops for that just right hang. Crafted from durable parachute nylon and stitching stronger than your morning coffee, it supports up to 500 pounds and is a cinch to clean. Just remember to ditch the carabiners first. Ideal for those who love to sleep under the stars or those who simply enjoy a good backyard hang, the Wise Owl hammock is the gift that keeps on swinging. Introducing AlkaVision Light Bulb Security Camera, where cutting-edge 2K HD color night vision meets the covert charm of your everyday light bulb. With 2K HD color night vision, it sees the world in high definition, making even the sneakiest raccoon on your porch look like a movie star. Plugging directly into a light bulb socket, it boasts a 355-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotation, ensuring your space is seen from every angle. The AI motion detection isn't just smart, it differentiates between people, pets, and cars, so you're only alerted to the real action. Installation is easy, just screw it to any standard E27, E26 light socket, download the Vico Home app, and you're in business. And for the cherry on top, it offers two-way audio so you can chat with your mailman or meow at the neighborhood cats without stepping outside. With free-rolling 3-day cycle cloud storage and an SD card slot for 24/7 recording, this camera is more than just a one-trick pony. Ready for a nostalgia trip with a twist? Meet the Divum D2, not just a speaker, but a retro revolution in palm-sized form. This compact marvel features tactile backlit mechanical key switches, reminiscent of vintage computing, and a dazzling 16 by 16 pixel monitor that brings your favorite pixel art to life in brilliant color. Not only a feast for the eyes, but the D2 also delivers surprisingly rich audio, perfect for streaming your Spotify playlist or enhancing the clarity of your Zoom yoga sessions. The D2 is also a creative companion, offering endless entertainment with its pixel art customization. Whether you choose from the extensive library of designs or unleash your creativity to craft personalized masterpieces, the D2 turns every moment into an interactive experience. Sharing your pixel art with friends worldwide is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly app compatible with iOS and Android devices. Meet the Nulaxi dual folding cell phone stand, a marvel of engineering tailored for the tech savvy. Compatible with all smartphones and e-readers from 4 to 8 inches, including cell phones of any types, its fully collapsible design adjusts to your preferred viewing angle, ensuring hands-free support when you're engrossed in videos, deep into gaming, or following recipes. Crafted from high-quality premium aluminum, it provides a sturdy base that resists wobbling, while its rubber pads shield your device from scratches and prevent sliding. No need to strip your phone of its case. The stand's generous 19mm hook width welcomes even the bulkiest protectors. Portable and practical, it supports landscape and portrait modes, adapting to your content with ease and providing unparalleled stability for larger devices. Introducing the ultimate summer savior, the portable air conditioner is a marvel of energy efficiency and eco-friendliness. The evaporative cooler is free-on-free, harnessing the power of water to cool your surroundings with energy consumption akin to a light bulb. Imagine the relief on hot summer days powered by a simple USB port with a water refill lasting up to 8 hours. No more fretting over sky-high electricity bills as you chill through the night. Customize your breeze with 3 adjustable wind speeds and add a splash of ice or water for an instant Arctic blast. But that's not all. This compact climate champion dazzles with 7 different color options, casting a soft, romantic glow to enhance your nighttime ambience or aid in peaceful sleep. With a generous 500ml water tank, this cooler can continuously dispatch crisp, cold air for 6 to 8 hours, ensuring your slumber is uninterrupted and blissfully cool. And if the water runs low, fear not, it smartly shifts to natural wind mode, ensuring you're always comforted without constant checks. Did any of these quirky inventions catch your eye? Let us know in the comments below which one you think could add that extra zing to your daily routine. Feel free to check out the links in the description to snag these wonders for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to This I Like, and remember, you I like too.